In our video, we will solve this problem.
15
Minus
16
times
15
minus.
16.
You know, according to the PEMDAS, you must do this multiplication first. Then you have to work from left to right. So first you have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. So let's start our solution. We first start with this multiplication.
16
Times
15
which equals.
240.
Now you can write the problem as
15
minus
240
minus,
16.
and you must work from left to right.
15
Minus
240
which equals
minus 225
minus,
16
and the problem became
minus 225
minus
16
which equals.
minus 241.
So this was the final answer to this problem.